safe in your arms.
How cool was that, eh? Well, that was all done by AI. But how, why and what? Well, let me tell you, as you know, I have this Jesus Stories Now channel. And that is why always new ideas related to the Bible and Jesus pop in my head. Yeah, me, the master of finding new niches, has found a new goldmine niche. Hey there. And how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your own church songs, Bible songs and gospels and go viral. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, first of all, we are going to ChatGPT and ask the following. I want to create a YouTube channel where I upload AI-generated Christian songs. Please give me for my first video a real church Bible song text lyrics. You could obviously also open an online Bible and search your lyrics there, but look at this. AI created a new type of song inspired by Psalm 23. That is just amazing. Now we are going to generate a song out of these lyrics with Suno AI. It is an amazing next-level AI music generator. Go there and click on Create. Make sure you have deselected the instrumental button. Now copy the lyrics from ChatGPT. Turn on the custom button. And now we can paste our lyrics here. Now we need to add the style of music. After having some chat with ChatGPT, we can choose between contemporary worship, gospel, folk worship, ambient worship, and Christian pop. I am going to pick the gospel style. Now add the title of the song. And press create. And guys, the generation is super fast. After like 10 seconds, we can already listen to the preview of one of the two generations. Let's have a listen.
You lead me by still waters. Your love will never fade. In green pastures I find rest. My soul is unafraid. The shepherd of my soul, you guide my every way. Your mercy follows close. Your love will never stray. Even in the shadow, I will fear no harm. The shepherd of my soul keeps me safe in your arms. Your rod and staff protect me in valleys dark.
Okay, wow, that sounds amazing. Let's listen to the other one.
You lead me by still waters. Your love will never fade. In green pastures I find rest. My soul is unafraid. The shepherd of my soul, you guide my every way. Your mercy follows.
Okay, not bad, but I prefer the first one, so let's download that one. Okay, now we only need to generate the images for the song, and yeah, now we need the image prompts. So let's turn to ChatGPT and ask the following. Now I want to illustrate the song with images. I made a song with the Shepherd of My Soul lyrics, so please give me image prompts so I can illustrate the entire song. And do not limit yourself to like 10 image prompts. That is amazing. With these image prompts in hand, we are going to Leonardo AI. It is the best free-to-use AI image generator out there. You get daily 150 credits. Just paste the prompt there, and now on the left, make sure you have selected the widescreen aspect ratio, 16:9, and press Generate. Now the generation will take around 30 seconds. There it is, just amazing. Let's download it. Now also generate the rest. And you know what, guys, since I have a Mid-Journey subscription, I am going to generate all the images there. Now I will upscale a lot of the images, because it is better to have too much than too little. And guys, to download these images 10 times faster, you are better off using the Midjourney website like this. Okay, now we are going to open up a new project in CapCut. Add the song in the playlist. Now add the images. As you can see, we come a lot of images short, it seems, but no worries, undo the images import and now simply go to the CapCut settings and go to Edit. Now change the image duration and make it longer and press Save. Okay, that is a bit too much. Let's do the same process again. This may require some experimenting to get the perfect image length. Okay, that is nice. For the last image, we are going to click the blue diamond next to Blend. Now go a few frames ahead and turn their opacity down. And now you have this fade out effect. Now go to Effects and search for Zoom. Now add this zoom lens to the first image. And on the left, I will set the sliders like this. Now you could go ahead and do this same process for all the other 50 or so images, but no, there is a better way. Simply do a right click on the first image where you've applied the zoom effect and now press Copy Attributes. Now select all the rest of the image and do a right click and press Paste Attributes. Now deselect everything except the effect and press Paste. Just perfect. Now all the images have the same slow zoom in effect. Next up, you could consider going to Transitions and add nice transitions. After doing some experimenting, I found that the shimmer transition works best. Now add it everywhere. Now we are going to add the song captions. Go to Captions. Go to Auto Lyrics and press Generate. That is amazing. All the lyrics have been generated. You might have to check the lyrics because, for example, I will delete this one because there the choir is singing and humming. Now go to Templates and pick a nice template like this. Now add a new text block and add the song title in the beginning of the video. I will also add this. Add some nice effects like this. Last but not least, you could consider adding some filters. But somehow these flyers intervened with the colors of my captions, so I will do it without the filters. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own church songs, Bible songs and gospels and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
You lead me by still waters. Your love will never fade. In green pastures I find rest. My soul is unafraid. The shepherd of my soul, you guide my every way. Your mercy follows close. Your love will never stray. Even in the shadow, I will fear no harm. The shepherd of my soul keeps me safe in your arms. Your rod and staff protect me in valleys dark and low. You anoint my head with blessings. Your cup will overflow. The shepherd of my soul, you guide my every way. Your mercy follows close. Your love will never stray. Even in the shadow, I will fear no harm. The shepherd of my soul keeps me safe in your arms. Your rod and staff protect me in valleys dark and low. You anoint my head with blessings. Your cup will overflow. The shepherd of my soul, you guide my every way. Your mercy follows close. Your love will never stray. Even in the shadow, I will fear no harm. The shepherd of my soul keeps me safe in your arms. Surely goodness, surely grace will follow me all my days. In your house I'll ever stay, forever lifted by your